Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, anyways, kung napansin nyo, iba na yung backdrop ko. So, trying to experiment on sa backdrop. So, but I decided na gawin kong sequencing yung aking backdrop. So, anyways, kung may naririnig kayong maingay sa labas, that's my baby, Michael. So, anyways, today's video is all about my experience on My Slim Detox drink and yung My Slim dietary supplement capsule. So, let me show you first. This is the My Slim sachet drink. This is the yerba mate drink. It says sugar-free. So, this is like a packet. You guys can get this mga 7-Eleven, grocery store, or sa Mercury Drug for sure, andun yon. But mine, I got sa flawlessbeauty.com. I will link the website information if you guys are here in the US and if you guys want to try this one. So anyways, this is the drink, sachet drink. And this is the bottle. That's the My Slim dietary supplement. And this is 30 capsules. So unahin ko muna yung sa My Slim Detox drink. Experience ko sa kanya is, I wanna say, it makes you wanna go to the bathroom. Yes, right. Tama siya, guys. Meron siyang laxative effects. So, if you guys wanna try this, kailangan mo talaga i-try na nasa bahay ka, or else you are gonna go LBM sa labas. Especially, pag sensitive yung tummy mo, talagang you are really gonna go. But for my case, I've only went maybe 1 or 2, depends sa kinain ko. But if I eat really heavy food, I wanna say na talaga mag-go ako maybe within an hour or 2. Pero kung medyo light food lang, wala naman siya, hindi ako actually nag-go. Pero if I eat something heavy, then I really go. So, yung effect niya neto is very cleansing and very detoxifying. After a meal, you should take this kasi para talaga ma-cleanse out yung kinain mo. Especially kung medyo oily, ma-cholesterol siya. So, yun yung experience ko sa kanya. The taste of it is very pleasant naman. Medyo matamis na hindi sobra. Strawberry flavor. I think there's only one flavor. So, this is a strawberry flavor siya. Very effective and medyo pricey lang siya, but effective siya agad kasi makikita mo yung right away na effect niya sa katawan mo. But make sure, kasi nakalagay rin dito sa kanyang disclaimer na you have to take it pag nasa bahay ka. And you have to follow that, guys. Kailangan i-take mo talaga pag nasa bahay ka. At the comfort of your own home. Or else, you know what's gonna happen. So, yun lang siya. Sa weight loss, hindi ko talaga nakita nag-effect yung weight loss eh. Kaya it's more cleansing and detoxifying experience niya right after. So, yun lang yung aking experience about that. And let's go with the bottle. So, this is 30 capsules. You can take it day or night or, you know, alternate nyo siya. Basta you take it twice a day. Yung experience ko sa kanya, hindi masyadong pleasant kasi actually it makes me kinakabag ako. It makes me very acidic na talagang kinakabag ako sa kanya. Tinay ko siya na maybe I thought naninibago lang yung katawan ko sa capsule. Pero actually, nung tuloy-tuloy ko talaga siya within 15 days, na-experience ko talaga na parang kinakabag ako all the time. And sa drastic weight loss, hindi rin nag-shed yung weight ko. As in, I'm still like as is right now kung ano yung weight ko. Ganun pa rin siya. Maybe a pound or 2, depende sa kinain ko. Pero it didn't make me loss ng mga 10 kilos and so like that. Siguro kasi I guess I've only taken it for 15 days. Maybe if I do take more, maybe 2-3 months more, baka meron. Pero as of yung 15 days niya talaga, yung first bottle niya, I wanna say hindi talaga siya naging effective sa akin. And sabi dito, appetite suppressant daw siya. Pero hindi naman siya masyadong nag-suppress ng appetite ko. I still get hungry, pero medyo less lang yung kinakain ko. Which is, siguro I guess effective na rin siya in a way, pero hindi siya effective in a way na nag-effect talaga siya sa pag-drop ng weight ko. Kasi right now, I think I'm a 65 kilo, and aim ko siya ulit talaga na at least maging 55, yung pre-pregnancy weight ko kasi I'm actually right now postpartum, so meron akong baby na 1 year and a half and I've gained a lot of weight with that. So, gusto ko talaga siyang i-shed off. Pero with this, it didn't do much. So, yun lang yung review ko. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. And sana helpful naman siya sa mga taong gusto talagang itry yung MySlim. Kasi alam ko, medyo sikat talaga siya ngayon, 'di ba? And it's all over the place too. So, kung gusto niya i-try, try nyo din and let me know kung ano yung experience mo. Comments down below or maybe talagang if effective talaga siya, I should just keep going and try pa more. So, let me know guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!